Good afternoon, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study our next chapter, nouns and number. So let's start. So in your previous class, I told you number is related to singular and plural. Singular is means what, which tells us about one thing that is singular and which is related to more than one, that is plural, like pen, that is singular, and pens, if I say, that is plural. Bus, if I say, that is singular, and bus is plural. Child singular and children plural. So these all the things we studied in our previous class. Then I told you some rules how to make noun singular to plural. Like basically we add s to make nouns singular to plural, like tree, trees, girl, girls, right? And es also we put when in the end of the sentence there is a hissing sound, like dishes. Dish means like box, bus. So in the end of the word, if s, double s, sh, ch, x, these letters are found, it means that word is providing a hissing sound. So we should use es to make that noun singular to plural, right? These are all the rules we studied in our previous class. Then I told you which noun ends over o letters. So we should add es, like hero, heroes, mango, mangoes, right? But some exceptional cases are also there, like photo, photos. Exceptional means like which do not follow the rule, like photo ending letter is o. Despite it, we need to use s here to make that noun singular to plural, right? These are called exceptional cases. Next, like knife word is there. So what is the plural of knife? That is knives. Means instead of f, e, or f, we have to write ves to make that noun singular to plural, like wife, wives, leaf, leaves, right? So but some exceptional cases are also there, like chief, chiefs, gulf, gulfs, roof, roofs. Okay. Then I told you, like if ending letter is y and before this there is a consonant, while making singular to plural we should add ies instead of y. So like army, armies, sorry, city, cities, donkey, donkeys, right? Like we should change y into yes if before the y letter there is any consonant letter. If vowel letter is there, then we should not remove y letter, just we have to add s only, like baby. Last letter is y, and before the y you can see that b letter is there, which is consonant, right? Right, like family, families, ray, rays. Next, like some nouns are there, we have to change, means internal change we have to do, like foot is there, we need to change the vowel letters. We need to write here feet. Woman of woman, plural of woman is women. Spelling is totally changed, you can see. I mean, not totally, sorry. Instead of a we have put e, and mouse, mice. So some words are there in English language, we have to change some vowel letters. And some words are there, like you can see goose, geese, that's a Hans is called goose. Louse, lease. So louse, that's a lies, right? Washerman, washerman, tooth, teeth, right? So these words are there. What is plural of maid servant? Remember this, dear students. Maid servant, some words are there English language, while making singular to plural which is the main word in that word. So we have to add s or es with that word. Like maid servant, if you want to write the plural of this, so we need to write maid servants. And if I say son-in-law, you can see that son is the main word in this. So if I want to make it plural, so I need to add s with son, sons-in-law, right? Not nouns consisting of several words, we should add s to main word, right? Which noun consists of several words, so we should s with the main word to make it singular to plural. Like commander-in-chief, commander is main words. So commanders-in-chief, we need to say mother-in-law, mother is main word, so I need to say mothers-in-law. Passer-by means जो राहगीर होते हैं उनको passer-by बोलते हैं, passer-by, passers-by. Man-servant, remember this whenever you use any noun with there is a word man, so while making singular to plural, you need to add s with both the word. Like man servant, need to say men servant. Man also you need to write in plural form, and servant also you need to write in plural form. Right. Next point. What is the plural of deer? Now please tell me what is the plural of deer. Can you tell me, dear students? Please raise your hand. Who can let me know what is the plural of deer? Vivek is there. Vivek, please tell me what is the plural of deer. Vivek, please unmute yourself. Can you tell me? Okay, I think Vivek doesn't know the answer. Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, can you tell me what is the...
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell me what is the plural of deer?
Dear.
Means like, can you tell me the spelling?
Sir, D-E-A-R, dear.
Sorry. Okay, I tell you, deer, plural of deer is same word, deer, D-E-E-R. So basically, dear students, I want to make you understand that some words are there in English language. So plural form of those words are same, right? Like deer, if I want to say in plural form, same word I need to say, same spelling I will have to write. In same way, if I say that what is the plural of sheep, so sheep plural is a sheep also, means like sheep, means the spelling is totally same as H-E-E-P, sheep. Note, some nouns have same form in singular as well as in plural, right? Like fish is there, so plural of fish is fish, and fruit, same fruit we need to write. Vegetable, vegetable. And one thing more I want to make you understand, dear student, like if I say I have some fruit, if I say I have some fruit, so you can see that I haven't written fruits, but fruits also we can write. I have some fruit. It means different kinds of fruit. Suppose that you have mango, you have 4 mangoes. So you need to say I have some fruit, okay? But if you suppose you have 1 mango, 1 banana, 1 apple, so there you can say some fruits, means when you have different kinds of variety in fruits, then you can say fruits. Otherwise, if you have 2 bananas or like 3 mangoes to 3 apples, so there you have to say only fruit, not fruits. Next, he has caught 3 fish. So one kind of fish he has caught. So there we need to say fish. But if you have caught different variety of fishes, so there you have to say like he has caught 3 fishes. So fish means one fish and more than one fish also, but variety is same. But fishes means many varieties. Okay, more than one varieties. Next point. Some nouns are there like scissors, spectacles, trousers, shorts, jeans, clothes, stretched clothes basically. Tongs, scales suggest 2 essential parts. So these words are used in plural form. So dear students, some words are there in English language. They are made of 2 essential parts. So we should use them always in plural form, right? So we should not say that I have a jeans. So jeans word is also plural because this word has been made of with two essential words. You can see my spectacles, यानी कि चश्मे जो होते हैं, my spectacles need to be changed. That's a plural, need. That's why we have used. His trousers are dirty. Plural verb are we have used here. So some words are there. They are made of two essential parts. So that's why we need to use them in plural forms. Next, sorry. Cattle and people have the appearance of a singular noun, but they are used as plural. So if you see the cattle word or people word, you will firstly it appears that like these words are singular, but remember these cattle and people, these words are plural. Cattle means होता है झुंड जो होता है, गाय का बैल बैल के झुंड होते हैं उनको cattle बोलते हैं. So cattle is plural word, sorry. The cattle are grazing in the field. People were not impressed. So people and cattle, these two words are plural. Next, mathematics, politics, news, measles, innings look to be plural, but they are used as singular nouns. So dear students, some nouns are there in English language. You will find that by appearance, those words look like they are plural, like mathematics. So you will find S there. Initially, you will think that mathematics is plural, but S has come there according to the spelling of this word, not just because of singular to plural. Okay, so mathematics, that's a singular word, not plural. So that's why we need to use singular verb. Mathematics is, we have written is because our subject is singular. Same it happens with news. So news is singular, not plural. So I want to make you understand, dear students, some words are there in English language. Those words appear plural according to their spellings, but actually they are singular, right? These words are singular. Okay. Next point, furniture, G point, furniture, scenery, advice, and information are always used in singular form. So these words, dear students, these words are singular, not plural. So we need to use them in a singular form, like this furniture is not for sale. So we should not say like these furnitures. So these are uncountable words. So we should not put S or ES, right? In this way also you can say some pieces of furniture, but you can't say some furnitures, right? Because furniture is uncountable word that is used in singular only. Furniture, scenery, advice, information, right? Next, furniture, scenery, this point we have studied. H point, figures and letters are made plural by adding apostrophe s, like threes, p's. Add 2 fours to 3 twos. So whenever, dear students, we have to make plural to figures and letters, we have to add apostrophe s, right? Don't write your p's well. I'm not talking about one p, I'm talking about more than one p. So there you have to write p's. P apostrophe means upper comma, then s. Then point number I, abstract nouns like love, beauty, and anger are not countable. So they have no plural form, but some abstract nouns can have plural form as well as. So dear students, in this we have to learn that which are the uncountable nouns, means which are the abstract nouns. So there is no any plural form of those abstract nouns, but some nouns are there. We need to learn those nouns. They are abstract nouns, despite it they have their plural forms, like victory, victories. Victory is abstract noun. Failure, failures. Shout, shouts. Decision, decisions. So these nouns have their plural form also. Next point, point number J, substances or materials like iron, copper, wood, stone, paper, sometimes cold material nouns are also not countable, so they are used only in singular form. So dear students, whenever we use any noun as a material, so they don't have any plural form. So material nouns are used in singular form also. मटेरियल मीन्स जिससे हम कुछ सामान बनाते हैं, जैसे लाइक आयरन, कॉपर, वुड, स्टोन, वाटर, राइट, gold, silver. These all the words are called material nouns. Like paper is needed to print books. So paper, that's a singular. Wood is used to make furniture. Wood is also singular. These are the singular nouns, right? State the plural of the given nouns. I made this exercise as a question form, but I don't know how all the words have come together, so I can't ask question regarding this. So let's do that. So dear student, if I say cow, dear student, please wait a while. Let me do some setting so that I can ask a question regarding these sentences. Please wait a while. So dear students, some nouns are given there. State the plural, the given nouns, plural forms you have to tell me. So please tell me what is the plural form of cow. Please raise your hand and please tell me answers. Now raise your hand. Yes. Let me do more setting from my end. Ansh, please you tell me what is the plural form of cow.
Sir, cows. COWS.
Yes, very good. Cows. That's the right form. That's the plural form of this. Next word is that room. What is the plural form of room? Room. Read, please you tell me. If I say room, what is the plural form of room?
Sir, ROOMS.
Yes, ROOMS. Rooms. Yes, very good. Right answer. Next is that class. If I say class, what is the plural form of class? Jatin, you please tell me. Jatin, please you tell me. C. Jatin.
LASSES.
Yes, classes. We need to say CLASSES. Classes. You can see the answer. Yes, right answer, Jatin. Good. Next, text. If I say text, what is the plural form of text? Nikunj, you please tell me. Nikunj, if I say text, what is the plural form of text?
Sir, taxes. TAXES.
TAXES. Yes, taxes we can say. Very good. If I say tomato, tomato. So what is the full? Plural form of tomato? Who will let me know? Sai Pratik will tell me. Sai Pratik, please tell me. Spelling.
TOES.
Oh,
TOMATOES.
yes, right answer. Whenever our ending letter is O, so we need to add ES. Very good, right answer. Mute yourself, Sai Pratik. If I say photo, what is the plural form of photo? Ishika, you please tell me. Ishika, you please tell me.
Sir, photos.
Spelling.
OTES. Photos.
Some is very good. We need to add only S. Some words are there. We are like those words and an O letter. Despite it, we have to add S to make that that noun singular to plural. Yes, very good, right answer. Next, if I say knife, what is the plural form of knife? Who will tell me? Bhumika, you please tell me.
Sir, KNIFES.
No, that's the KNIVES. Okay, KNIVES means we need to remove FE and we have to put VES when our word ends on FE letter, right? Good, but you have tried very well. Okay, so come on the next. If I say wife, WIFE, what is the plural of wife? Lavisha, you please tell me. Lavisha.
IVES.
Yes. WIVES. Yes, right answer. Next, roof. If I say roof, ROOF, what is the plural of this? Who will tell me? Let me see. Wait, please. Many students have raised their hands. Ahem, you please tell me. Ahem, you please tell me. What is the plural of roof? ROOF. I think Ahem doesn't know the answer. Okay. Harshit Man, you please tell me. Harshit Man, please tell me. Okay. Nikunj, you please tell me. Nikunj, you please tell me. If I say roof, ROOF.
ROOFS. Roofs.
ROOFS is right answer. Nikunj. Some students have started their video. Please stop the video. Ansh Verma, don't start the video, please. Next word is that diary. If I say diary, DIARY. So what is the plural of this? Who can let me know? Sai Pratik, you please try to give me the answer.
Sir, diaries.
Spelling?
DIARIES.
Yes, IES. We need to remove Y if before Y there is a consonant letter. So R is consonant, so we have to add IES instead of Y. Very good. Next, toy. If I say toy, so what is the plural of toy? Who will let me know? Let me see. Bhumika, you please tell me. Bhumika, what is the plural form of toy?
Toys.
Toys. Spelling?
TOYS.
TOYS, very good, because Y is there and before the Y, vowel letter is there. So if vowel letter is there before the Y, so we should not remove Y and we should add only S. So next is mouse. So who will tell me the plural of mouse? Okay. Let me see who can tell me. Vivek Man, please tell me. Vivek.
Sir, MIC. Mice.
Mice, MIC, mice. Plural of mouse is mice. Very good, right answer. Some nouns are there. We have to learn the spelling of those nouns. Okay, we can't add S or ES. Next is foot. If I say foot, so what is the plural of foot? Read, you please tell me. What is the plural of
Sir,
foot?
feet.
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 Yes, very good. FEET. Very good, right answer. Next is that if I say maid servant. If I say maid servant, what is the plural of maid servant? Can you tell me? Let me see who can let me know. Ansh Verma is there. Ansh, please tell me. Ansh.
Sir, maid servants. MAIDSERVANTS.
Means servant. With the servant, you need to add S. Very good, right answer. So maid servant, we need to write here. Very good, right answer. Next, man servant. Man servant. Who will tell me about man servant? Let me see. Jatin, you please tell me, Jatin, what is the plural of man servant?
MENSERVENTS.
Very good. You need to say man servant. MAN call is man and MEN call, that is men, and servants, right? Your answer is absolutely right. Come on, the next. Ox. If I say ox, so what is the plural of ox? Manishita, you please tell me what is the plural of ox? Manishita.
OXEN. 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 Oxen.
Oxen. Very good, right answer. Come on, the next. Deer. If I say deer, what is the plural of deer? Akshita, Akshita, please you tell me what is the plural of deer?
Sir, D-double-E-R, dear.
The same word will be there. D-double-E-R, deer. Yes, very good. If I say furniture, furniture. So what is the plural of furniture? Sai Pratik, you please tell me what is the plural of furniture? Sai Pratik.
Furnitures.
No, but I told you furniture is furniture, means like there is no plural form. So we should use this word in a singular form, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next is that information. Information. So what is the plural of information? Jatin Singh, you please tell me what is the plural of information?
INFORMANTIONS.
S will not come. Dear students, I want to make you understand. S will not come because some nouns are there. So there is no plural form of those nouns. So same word will be there. It's a singular and the plural we can't use. Like information, same word will be there. So there is no plural form of furniture and information. Right? Remember this. Okay. Let's do this exercise. Some words are here. So who will tell me what is the singular form of bodies? What is the singular form of bodies? BODIES. Please tell me what is the singular form of bodies? Many are there. Many have raised their hands. Let me see. Manishita, you please tell me. If I say bodies, so what is the singular form?
BODY, body.
BODY, body. Yes, right answer. If I say joys, JOYS, what is the singular form of joys? JOYS. Who will tell me? Let me see. Akshita, you please tell me.
Sir, J-O-Y, joy.
JOYS, joys. Joys means singular form, you need to say JOY. It's right answer. If I say lose, LOAVES, what is the plural form of this lose word? Can you tell me? Lose we say to the, like in Hindi we say rotiyon ko bolte hain loose. Pieces of bread, loose, are cold. So can you tell me? Ansh Verma?
Sir, L-O-U-S-E.
No, that is LOAF, loof. Yes, okay. LOAF, loof. That's right answer. Next is that coolies. COOLIES, coolies. What is the right answer? So what is the singular of this? Who can let me know? Let me see. Manishita, you please tell me. What is the singular form of coolies? I think she doesn't know.
Coolie.
Spelling.
Sir,
What is the spelling of this?
COOLY.
Yes, coolies, COOLY. Very good, right answer. Next is keys. What is the singular form of keys? Who will let me know? What is the singular form of keys? Vivek, you please tell me. What is the singular form of keys?
K-E-Y.
Key, yes, very good, right answer. Next, bushes. Bushes. Bushes will tell wreath. Wreath, please tell me what is the singular form of bushes?
Sir, BUSH.
Bush, yes, very good, right answer. What is the singular form of sheep? What is the singular form of sheep? Who will let me know? Nikunj, you please tell me.
Sir, sheep.
Same word is there. Yes, right answer. If I say watches, what is the singular form of watches? Nikunj, you please tell me what is the singular form of watch?
Sir, what? Sir, what?
Watch. Spelling WATCH. Yes, very good. Right. Yes, very good. Right answer. And dear students, rest of exercise we will do in our next class because only 2 or 3 minutes are left. So now if you want to ask any question, please